Hi YouTube, it's Hens X Prophet here and I am Ibrahim Asone. Thank you for tuning in this video and thank you for tuning into a very important topic or a very interesting topic or video. So what I'll be telling you is that graphic design doesn't only stop at designing logos, designing flyers, cards, banners, those small stuffs, okay? It doesn't stop there. It extends up to web, even mobile apps or just something that will interact with the users. I can say UI design, user interface, okay? Because if your application or website, just your application doesn't have a nice or an appealing user interface, it will be hard for people to stay on that application. For example, look at Facebook, how it is designed. The colors there, it doesn't have too many colors, okay? And the colors there, they are cool colors. They are colors that play with your brain. These things are seen by psychologists and they just implement it, okay? Look at Instagram too. Even on Instagram Live, how they do the things. Most of these apps, these famous apps, just check at them. WhatsApp, check the colors, the borders, the things, how they are. They are all designed properly. The second thing I want to talk about is the web developers. If you are a web developer or you are learning, okay, if you are learning web development, try to look at other people's e-commerce sites or personal websites or very good looking websites. Even if you don't have all the colors they have or the images they have, but you can just code their structure, okay? And I don't advise new learners to jump into Bootstrap or other frameworks, Lightworks, okay? No CSS. If you know CSS at the learning level, then industrial level, if you use Bootstrap, it will make you faster and more efficient, which is good because people don't need to know what you are coding with or what you are doing. They just want to see the result. So if the result is good, you are good to go. But in order to have a good result in that, the core, the background should be very strong because sometimes you need to customize your website, okay? You cannot know all the classes in Bootstrap. Even if you do, you are extraordinary. So you have to customize some of the things there. I mean, you have to, so you can check those websites. Maybe if they are header, you can just structure their header. If they have 3 columns, you have 3 columns. You just put images you like or one image there. E-commerce sites, personal websites, enterprises, just websites. You have all your contact, everything, all your contact form or your application or login form there. Then if you are used to doing that, you are used to building those pages, then you can shift to JavaScript, okay? If you shift to JavaScript, that is the time you will be able to do some functionalities. But even with HTML and CSS, you can do some functionalities, some simple functionalities there. Like you can build a full website, just an information website with HTML and CSS, because inside of your navigations, if you put the link of the about page or others, if you just click it, it will take you there, okay? But you have to learn JavaScript in order to know more and to do more. It is a must, okay? And after that also we have PHP there. So these things, web development and graphic design, even mobile app development, they are all connected because you need to put good colors, good fonts, good arrangement, good sizes. Some of the text areas doesn't need very big sizes. So if you are putting big sizes there where it's not necessary and putting small sizes at where it is not necessary too, that will also alter your users, okay? That will also alter the time your users will spend on your apps. Just check up to these very famous apps and see how they are designed, okay? Even not with HTML or CSS, just look at how they are designed and try to do it in Photoshop or in other graphic design softwares. Try to design it how it is. The colors, you can just take the rectangle there and fix your columns. Very simple, and give them colors. Just try to do the graphics like that, okay? Good, because if you are a good web developer or a UI designer and you are good in graphic design, it will be very easy for you to design your user interfaces. It will be because you can just design it and do all the colors in in Photoshop, then you just look at it and code it. Even not that you have the knowledge of colors, you have the knowledge of fonts, you can just jump and code it and it will be good looking. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.